How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big K Blocks, and I want to show you guys one of my favorite blocks that we have. It's very versatile and can be used in a lot of different areas. We call it the cookie jar top. So it pretty much kind of looks like the cookie jar top, and the reasoning we have this is for those DA discs that you guys will be using. You know, a lot of people like to use DA discs, but we figure let's give you a place to go ahead and put this on if you're trying to do some hand sanding. And so we've created the diameter is just slightly a little bit smaller than a regular DA paper. That way you don't have to worry about an edge or anything. And so this will just kind of go right on top there, and that's going to give you a nice, good finish that you can go in and just use your sandpaper wherever you want it. For those of you that use Hookit, don't worry, we've got you covered. We do have the cookie jar top that has the Hookit backing on it. So if you are using any velcro style or sandpaper, you can go ahead and slap that on as well, and then you'll be able to use the cookie jar top there. So head over to our website, bkblocks.com, get your guys the cookie jar top. You will use it all the time, I promise. Thanks, guys.